shape, okay? So only you can see the heart you fall in love or you're drunk too.
I have a
Okay?
question.
Yes.
What is that up there?
What is that up there? Okay, it's a termite house.
Ah.
Es una casa de termitas, okay? Lo van a ver en todo el camino. You're gonna see the same in all the room because the termites help us with the bad wood, okay? Nos ayudan con la madera mala, okay? O dead wood, okay? Alrededor tenemos mucho margarita con el mangrove, guys. Red mangrove, white mangrove. Cenote hondo. This one is our deep cenote, guys. How many meters you think that have this one?
Meters?
Meters.
Meters,
10?
More than 10.
More than
15.
Less than 20.
yeah,
More than 15.
17.
20 meter.
18.
17.
Ah,
17 meters, guys. Okay? It looks like a dark color because it's very deep. Here is where we can see some alligators. Yes.
Hey.
Some crocodiles. Yes, of course. Why? Because we are very far. This is the point that we are very far by the hotel. Okay. This point is their environment. Even we can see different animals in this point. Okay. Aquí sí podemos ver más animales porque es su medio ambiente.
peligro.
Cocodrilos o lagartos. Que nunca he visto uno. No, I never see one before. But yeah. Okay. Questions?
Cenote número 5.
Hidden cenote, okay? This one has 7 meters deep right here and 3 meters the other side, okay? Podemos ver más peces, the same fishes that we have. This one here, right now, we are stand up in a cave. Estamos parados en una cueva, chicos.
Cueva,
Inclusive si
sí.
nosotros saltamos, por ejemplo, podemos ver cómo se mueve el agua. ¿Sintieron? You feel it?
Yes.
Yep.
Correcto. Una vez más, Dani.
Shaking.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh.
Es correcto. Pueden ver cómo se siente, cómo se mueve el piso. You can feel how the floor is moving just because of that. Okay. This one have a big cave, so all the water is passing underground.
Oh.
Okay? What happened with the water, guys? The water just push. Okay. That's the reason that you can see that right now we are stand up. Estamos parados. No se puede. Normally, this is not look very clear, guys. Beautiful, totally beautiful. Right now, it's maybe because we have a high, because the moon, because the ovnis. I don't know.
No?
See,
I don't
seaweed?
know. Something
Normal.
happened with the water.
You
It's
can
very
feet under?
I don't
Muy
know.
claro.
¿Hace cuánto era esa foto?
Como 8 días.
Este cenote tiene
Pero es que se
9
me que se
metros
levantó.
de profundidad,
Se levantó
9
todo, ¿no?
meters deep. ¿Ok?
Se me levantó toda